Good morning guys, and welcome to a what I eat in a day video. I haven't done one of these in absolutely years. I would say it's years, but today I wanted to do one just because I've had tons of questions since I made the video about eating plant-based. I've had tons of questions and I just thought it'd be a good time to do one. I'm gonna do like a mum baby edition. So I've got River all day today and we're heading out to softplay. So I thought I would just show you what we eat in a typical day, and it's going to be more like vlog style than kind of professionally shot like recipes and stuff like I have done in the past, because yeah, I mean, trying to do that with the kids and on the go is not going to happen. So breakfast, it is later than we normally have breakfast today. It's about 8:30. Normally we have it a bit earlier, but today we've just been, I think we had just a bit of a late start. Riv's watching cartoons in her high chair, which she does most mornings whilst I'm making her breakfast, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to make it because she'd be attached to my leg. So yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast, and I'm also gonna make a few things to take away because, like I said, we're going to soft play. And there is food at soft play, but they don't really have, maybe they have like one vegan option, but it's also not the healthiest. So I tend to take like a little bit of food for us as well, and then let Riv get some stuff when she's there too. So this is what our fridge currently looks like. As you can see, we have lots of pasta, eggs for Riv, she loves eggs, wraps, hummus, cheese and vegan cheese, a few bits and bobs like olives, our kind of meat alternative stuff like falafel, tofu, blah blah blah, stuff for Riv, fish and ham, Fleur, coconut yogurt, coconut, rice puddings, which are amazing, and then we have all our fruit and veg. That's not supposed to be in there, I might put that in there. Fruit and veg and more veg under here. And then conveniently, this fridge is new. We got it with the new kitchen. It has like this 3 divided thing in the bottom, which we put our recipe kits in. So whether or not we're using HelloFresh, Mindful Chef, etc. At the moment it's Mindful Chef and they're in there. So what are we gonna have for breakfast? So this is Riv's breakfast, eaten to the dulcet tones of Norman from Fireman Sam. I mean, flashback. She's got some apples, some blueberries, some coconut yogurt, and some quinoa granola cereal with some milk. And hopefully she's gonna eat it. She's so hit and miss with food. Sometimes she eats all of it, sometimes she eats nothing. And then I'm having the same granola as Riv, which I actually really like. I got it from Ocado with some oat milk and blueberries. And I'm also gonna make myself a coffee because I am sleepy. And then for my packed lunch, I'm just making a wrap with a seeded wrap, some falafel, some baby tomatoes, lettuce. I've got a little bit of rocket that was left over from dinner last night, some hummus, olives, which I wish were black, but I've only got green ones, and then some of these pre-packed grains, which I don't like buying because of the packaging, but they're so convenient, and especially when you're cooking for a little one and you only want like a few. It's a really good mix of like red rice, quinoa, and different grains. And then this stuff is so good. Mike really rates the Nando's Pyrenees vegan version, but I think this is much better because it is spicy. So this is what the inside of my wrap looks like. I actually added in some cucumber, which was spare from making cucumber sticks for River. I'm getting shouted at. What's up? Are you stuck? Oh dear. So this seems crazy, but this is what I'm taking with me for the day. My coffee to go because I didn't have the chance to drink it. Water for Riv, water for me. I do not drink enough water and I'm trying really hard. So basically I have a soda stream and it's sparkling water. Then I have a little crudité and hummus pack for Riv. Like I say, she'll probably pick her own sandwich there because she usually likes to do that. But I've got those, and then I've got some apple and peanut butter for her as well, and then my wrap. Off we go. I almost forgot to update you guys on this because, I mean, just life. But yeah, little one is asleep in the back. She had her lunch at soft play. She really didn't eat much. I don't think she's feeling great, to be honest. And she's asleep. So I'm sitting here in my car, eating my packed lunch whilst River sleeps. Hashtag glamour. So it's a bit later now and I've just made Rivs her tea. She actually normally has a snack in the afternoon, but she's hungry. But she was asleep this afternoon. She's not been very well. So she's got some mackerel, some grains. You're gonna have this. Let's move your toys out the way. She's got some tomatoes, some baby sweet corn, which she's obsessed with, some cheese, some olives, and that's it. Yummy. Good evening, everybody. So it is a bit later now. Riv's asleep. Mike is home. He actually got home quite early today, which is awesome. I'm gonna turn my laptop down. I'm actually watching Cheer on Netflix. Came highly recommended from a lot of people and I'm enjoying it. So for dinner tonight, I'm cooking a Mindful Chef recipe. I had the choice between tomato butterbean bake with verbena yogurt, which I didn't choose. Didn't fancy that one tonight. I'm cooking teriyaki tofu with tender stem carrot noodles. Should take me half an hour. Here are all the ingredients, and yeah, that's what we're doing for dinner. That actually looks really, really yummy. Is it yummy? This is what we are having for dinner, and that is my entire what I eat in a day. Mike might have a little cheeky pudding, but I probably won't because this looks like it is gonna fill me up.
Who said there was pudding?
There's coconut rice pudding in the fridge. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.